इतनी एडवेंचरस नहीं हूँ. I don't know why I don't like to do adventure. मतलब मुझे उतना ही ठीक लगता है जितना you're safe. Something more. What is this song coming?
Welcome, this is your life now, the wasteland where we all take a vow. With some glow due to radiation, two heads where there usually is one. Unsung. With you, I know we'll find a way through the fog.
Finally guys, we made it to Calgary. So it's our day 2, technically day 1 because we traveled from Toronto to Calgary, which you can see in my previous vlogs. जिसमें हमें 4 hours लगे, delays हुए. There were a lot of things that happened in the background, and there is also the story why I was not in the vlogs for 1 month. So just look at the back. That's the Peace Bridge and there's the Bow River. Oh my god, this is the 1% of what the whole Alberta looks like. So I am super duper excited. So sorry vlogs pe you just be with the link, and I'll be uploading everything wherever I'll be traveling through the 7 days of my trip. As I told you, it's our anniversary today for September 2024. So we got married for September 2020. So we are kind of celebrating kind of in the trip, and it's a vacation also, which was very needed for me and Imran. So let's go for the breakfast because we are super duper hungry, and this is the 1% of what the whole thing looks like. This is just the part of like what we stepped out our Airbnb, and ये सब हमारे सामने था, like the Bow River and the Peace Bridge, because रात में तो कुछ भी नहीं दिखा. So let's go for the breakfast. I'm so fascinated. मतलब अभी तो मैंने एक छोटा सा river देखा, which is this Bow River. Just look at the turquoise color, and this Peace Bridge is so huge bridge, which connects the main city.
Hi guys.
Hi guys to the camera.
Welcome to
Yeah,
Calgary.
welcome day 1.
Day one in
So
Calgary.
this Peace Bridge connects the mainland to the downtown of
That's the downtown
Calgary.
part.
I was saying downtown of Toronto. So yeah, we are just crossing the bridge, and this is so nice. मतलब बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पे लोग boating and all
So
that
that
कर
means
रहे हैं.
they're doing
It's
rafting.
long weekend also here in Canada. So we are just going with the flow. We have zero planning for the day because it's just a city tour, like downtown tour of Calgary. So let's go and get breakfast first. So this cafe is so damn cute, but there's a drawback that it has a 20 minutes of waiting, and as you guys know, we are super duper hungry, and 12 ho gaye, 12:30 I guess. So I don't know, 12:30, and we are like, you know, kind of doing brunch and breakfast all together. No, lunch and breakfast all together. So that means the brunch.
What happened?
20 minutes of waiting. But the cafe is
The
really
perks
amazing.
of living in
It's
Canada on long weekend trip.
Al Forno bakery as well as the cafe. यहाँ पे fresh breads बन रहे हैं. Let me show you.
They are pretty much known for breakfast.
Oh yeah, yeah. This is like a purely breakfast place because ये 2 बजे purely बंद हो रहा है. So it's not opening after 2 every day. So just look at the back. It's so busy, and that is the dining area, and we are just waiting for our train. But it takes 20 minutes, so we are just waiting. So finally our breakfast is here. It looks so fancy. What was this, Imran? This is their signature breakfast with the blueberry cheesecake and the toast with some maple syrup, and that is Imran's favorite.
This is tiramisu.
Tiramisu. Imran, कब तक तुम ये tiramisu खाओगे? Imran loves tiramisu. Like he can have tiramisu anywhere and anytime. No matter it's breakfast, it's lunch, and we are waiting for our coffee, right?
Yeah.
But this looks good, right? It's in a cup.
Cup shape.
Oh my god, look at this coffee. This is not a coffee, this is a huge cup of coffee. Imran, I think we should share. अच्छा वो हमने एक ही order किया, right? Because this is so huge.
Good portion size.
So let's just have it. Let's just try the famous cheesecake. No, cheesecake nahi. Cream cheese toast. Whatever was the name, I just forgot it.
This is blueberry, right?
Yeah. This is amazing. Thank you so much. Oh my god, I'm so full, and the breakfast. This place is the best place in Calgary. नहीं ये नहीं बोल सकती मैं क्योंकि Calgary is just started, but it started very well and we had the best breakfast. The toast was good and I'm so full, and हमने tiramisu भी खाया which is very full. And
In the morning.
In the morning, and that too empty stomach. And the coffee was amazing. This is like my type of coffee. So yeah, let's go to our next one.
When you walk in the street alone and nobody can hear you go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Are you happy? Darling, I know you feel 'cause you're a freak when you get
You know
to
what,
me.
guys? We just noticed one big thing in the middle of downtown Calgary, just opposite the. I was just saying CN Tower, the Calgary Tower.
The baby
so
tower.
It's like a sister of CN Tower. थोड़ा सा छोटा है, but CN Tower जैसा resemble करता है. Now we noticed this thing. I don't know what's it. We just search on the internet. It's called as the Wonderland sculpture. I don't know it's visible or no. And जो मतलब 10 architects of the world को award मिला है. This is one of them. So this is really amazing. We can go inside also. There's no one inside. It's just me. I don't know. I like to do weird things. So this was made in 2012 and we are entering this whole thing. Oh my god. Now Imran, I am inside a face. Seriously? Oh my god. This is, I don't know. Camera में तो obviously नहीं दिखेगा the curves and all that. But this actually is like a human face. See? That's the nose and the eyes. And this is the whole thing. This is like, I don't know how to explain this, but it looks good.
When you walk in the street alone and nobody can hear you go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Are you happy? Darling, I know you feel 'cause you're a freak when you get too near. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Are you
So
happy?
guys, we are finally at the most iconic spot of Calgary, which is the Calgary Tower. Can you see that? It's like a sister of CN Tower.
His sister CN Tower.
Sister and
But
brother
this is small, right? As
yeah,
compared to-
it's not that tall. Obviously इसका जो मतलब floors भी है वो इतने नहीं है जितने CN Tower के हैं. It's kind of like, you know, the iconic spot here in downtown Toronto. नहीं, sorry, I don't know why I'm saying Toronto. Downtown Calgary, and it's called as the Calgary Tower. It's like a touristy destination. Imran wants to go up, but I don't want to go. I don't know why. Why you want to go upstairs? Upstairs.
Something you can see from top, right?
No, but why? What do you want to see?
The-
You have already seen it. Downtown.
The top view, it doesn't go.
I don't know. I don't want to. Because we have already been to CN Tower, and that's much better than this. So,
So let's see from down. We're only seeing it, right?
yeah.
उसके बाद हम
I don't know.
जाते हैं
I don't want to
61st
go.
Street.
Yeah. So that's all. That's all the Calgary Tower. You want to go? आगे से भी देखना है थोड़ा सा, like how is it? Let's see what's inside it. I know वहाँ पे tickets and all होएगी, but we'll just roam
Let's see.
around the Calgary Tower and we'll just.
When you walk in the street alone and nobody can hear you go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Are you
Guys, we are
happy?
just entering the Calgary Tower. They have a Sky 360 restaurant also.
Yeah, that's it.
Let's see how is the things inside. So how much is this CN Tower, Imran?
553 meters.
553 meters total, and it's the tallest building in the west.
This deck and this deck as well.
Yeah. And फिर ये वाला कौन सा है?
This is
Calgary वाला?
191. This is
191.
almost half.
Half से भी कम. Oh, this is 553 and this is 191.
The tallest one is Burj Khalifa. This one.
Oh, and this is 828
Next time we
meters.
will target this one.
I have
This
already targeted. Like I have been there, not inside. Yeah.
We can go to target this one.
World's tallest building. And ये कौन सी है? China Tower है ये.
This is the highest one. This is the outdoor walking.
Outdoor walking, okay. And और कौन से है बाकी? Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel Tower.
This is also 324. So मतलब first is we can say
Burj Khalifa.
Burj Khalifa, and
And then
second
CN
is second is this China Tower, Canton Tower,
Yeah.
and then is CN Tower.
Yeah. That's the bifurcations.
Yeah, the bifurcations of the towers. I want to visit all the towers. Oh my god, look what I noticed. It's a half men. बीच का पार्ट है ही नहीं इसका कहीं पे. It's a statue. What would be the purpose of this, Imran? क्यों बनाया हुआ है कटा हुआ इंसान? कनाडा में आपकी हालत ऐसी हो जाती है कुछ सालों में. आप इतना अपने आप को
I think he's a traveler. See? Bag, right?
तो ट्रैवलर में इंसान खत्म हो जाता है कि बीच का पार्ट ही खत्म हो जाता
इसने
है.
बहुत ट्रैवल किया है.
तो बीच का पार्टीशन ही खत्म हो गया है इसका ट्रैवल करके. It's free of cost. हम लोग तो tickets buy कर रहे थे, but it's a TD free zone. Like from downtown Calgary till what street? 7th Street हमें जाना है. We are going 7th Street near the Bow Village. Oh shit, not the Bow Village. Sorry, Bow River. I don't know what am I talking. मेरा सारा mix हो रहा है. So we are just going there and
Next.
yeah. This is from downtown. You can get the TTC till whatever street.
But this is free just because of downtown.
Yeah, you have to check the zones. अगर वो green आ रहा है ना तो that means वहाँ से लेके वहाँ तक जहाँ पे भी green है वो shit. वहाँ पे it's like free of cost. You don't need to get the tickets. What's next? Are you sure? Imran, all good?
I have 40 kilometers of range.
Okay.
For half an hour.
चलो स्टार्ट करो फिर. मैम तुमने कभी किया है ये? Is this the first time? मैं तो कभी नहीं कर सकती मैम. I don't think so I can. All set to go?
There's one big knocker. She's like probably a
Hi.
yeah. She's on a good day,
Right.
like soaking wet
Now you
with
come.
makeup.
नहीं मैं नहीं आ सकती मैम. I'm scared of it.
And then like
You give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more.
टाइटैनिक वाला सीन लग रहा है. Oh god no, I'm so scared. I don't know why मैं इतनी adventurous नहीं हूँ. I don't know why I don't like to do adventure. मतलब मुझे उतना ही ठीक लगता है जितना you're safe. Something more. What is this song coming back to back? ये क्या बोल रहा है हमें कि उतर जाओ?
Paper, hold from one hand. No, it's good. तो मेरे बाजू जीप से हो रही.
That's fine. It's because of the wind. Are we going through the Peace Bridge? Why? Because of no, there are people going. Let me show you from the back camera. This is the best ride ever because of this scooter. Yeah, it's so easy. इधर तक तो आते भी नहीं. Wow, they're playing. इधर तक तो मार भी नहीं सकते थे. Or they're enjoying volleyball. And certain people are just relaxing. मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. हमने पहले क्यों नहीं किया ये? Now comes the best view of this Bow River nearer scene. Oh my god, this is amazing.
Take a stop.
Oh god, ये तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Wow man, look at this. Shit man, this is so nice.
Because we have 5 minutes.
The best view ever. And look at that sunset also. Now comes the parking. Here's an end to this bird.
We have parking station.
Driving down the road, I get a feeling that I should have moved yesterday.
This is the parking station.
Let's just park it back. Oh god, it was an amazing experience. Oh my god, what an experience it was. It was an incredible experience. I just loved it. मुझे ऐसा लगता था it's very scary. I cannot do it ever in my life. But I just love it. I hope मैं खुद से भी कर पाती. I don't know why am I scared and मुझे ना ये balance and all that ये सब नहीं हो पाता मुझसे. I don't know why. I should try. I tried also. Imran like you know gave me instructions कैसे करना है क्या करना है. But मुझसे नहीं हो पाया. So मुझे already 1 month of headache tha. I didn't wanted something more in my life. That's why I gave up and I just had a seat in front of Imran. Not seat obviously, I was standing, but it was an amazing experience and I wanted more. So it's here in downtown Calgary. जो Peace Bridge है उसके बीच में एक park types है. So you can get this bird thing and it's $10 for 30 minutes. Which is not bad. You can get the 24-hour subscription as well. It depends on you how much you want it. So $10 for 30 minutes is not bad. So Imran is just experiencing the last 3 minutes. So now guys, it is 7:30 PM and we are done walking. Can you imagine हमारे steps कितने हो गए? 18,000. No Imran, 16 तो तब थे. उसके बाद से it's more. Now it's 18,000 and we
Plus
are.
the bird ride.
Yeah, that's separate. And now it's 7:30 भी नहीं है, 7:45 है and we are here at the street. Which street is this? Imran, what's the name of the street?
Memorial Drive.
Okay, so this street is like little famous with all the
Next to
restaurants.
Peace Bridge.
Next to Peace Bridge, yeah. So this is like famous for all the restaurants and everything. So we are looking for a restaurant. I don't know क्यों जब भी आप बाहर होते हो ना, you prefer Indian food. So that's what we are hunting for. There are a couple of restaurants that are Indian. We are just checking on and let's see what's the final thing for the dinner. So finally, after 500 years, we found one Indian restaurant which is called as the Bombay Tiger. It's an Indian kitchen and bar. So let's see inside. How is it and what's it all about? Their menu is so tempting. It's reminding me each and everything of India. और इनका जो सबसे बेस्ट चिकन है that's the Daryaganj chicken. Imran, remember Daryaganj restaurant, Jama Masjid का? Do you think it might be something related to that? या दूर दूर तक कोई वैसा होगा? We can at least go with the name of the Daryaganj chicken. And you know what? They have one more thing that is so amazing. I don't know, by the name it's amazing. I don't know how it would taste.
Lollipop.
No.
Drumsticks.
Drums of Heaven. Do you want to order that?
You want to go on heaven, right?
Yeah, let's order the Drums of Heaven and let's experience a bit of heaven with the drumsticks.
There's no drums in heaven.
Drums of Heaven. Let's order. So guys, we are done with our dinner and it was an amazing food. Whoever in Calgary is like, you know, searching for a proper authentic Indian food, just go to this Bombay Tiger. Trust me, you will thank me later. Anyway, now we are going to the Safeway. It's kind of a grocery store here in Calgary. Like we have Freshco, Walmart and all that. हमें थोड़ी सी चीज़ें लेनी थी and we'll go to our Airbnb which is very near to this place. So if you do like this video, like the video and do let me know what's the best part you like for the whole day of fun in Calgary. Stay tuned for the next vlog because from tomorrow the real game is starting. So see you in the next vlog. Bye. So the mountains have already started and it's looking so beautiful. Just look at this view. Oh my god. It's mountains, mountains and mountains everywhere.